today's episode, I got the most amazing cinnamon bun cookie, ultimate cinnamon cookie. You're gonna love it. Hey friends, far and wide, I'm Samantha. Thank you so much for coming back. I'm here to help you bake. Can't wait for you guys to try it. Let me know in the comments down below if you love it.
All right, let's get to measuring. First off, we're gonna measure out the room temperature butter and the sugar together in your mixing bowl. Now you're going to measure your egg and your milk together. Now separately mix out your flour, a little bit of salt, and cinnamon. Now we're going to mix the butter and sugar together using the paddle attachment. Once that is whipped together, you are going to add your milk and egg and incorporate it. Now with your mixer on stir, you're going to add in the flour.
So you guys know I don't like overbeating any dough really, unless it's bread, then you're going to get that gluten that you want. But the rest of this, I'm just going to beat it myself. I'm just going to mix this up a little bit myself, incorporate it, ensure all is together, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge for a bit. Now I'm going to put it in the fridge so that it can set. I'm going to roll it out, and then I'm going to spread out a nice layer of butter and cinnamon and brown sugar, all that good stuff you find in the cinnamon. So ultimately, I'm going to spread that on, and I'm going to roll them out, and we're going to get a nice, beautiful swirl. Let's get our hands dirty here, right? Ain't nothing wrong with getting your hands dirty. So, voila. Let's let her chill so that I can roll her out, but she's gonna be sticky.
I'm going to put my cookie dough on top of plastic wrap. On top of that, I'm going to put more plastic wrap, and this is going to help me roll out my dough without it getting stuck to the rolling pin. Now, I did not have a rolling pin, but I just used a glass water bottle, and it helped me get exactly what I needed. For the spread, I am going to melt butter, add it with brown sugar, and just mix it. Now I'm spreading this mixture on top of my cookie dough because we are about to roll it out. You're gonna put this in the fridge for half an hour. While it's in the fridge, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Now begin to cut your cookies as if it was a cinnamon bun, and you're gonna see that swirl. Place them on your baking tray with parchment paper, flatten them just a little bit, and put them in the oven for 10 minutes.